President said it's fine, me and Shiesty, we full on liners. Sometimes so icy and we shine, it ain't hard to find us. Once again, I'm locked in with TP, we been the said it's fine, it's me and Shiesty, we full on the lineup. 2017 so icy and we shining, it ain't hard to find us. And them niggas started way before, but now they fall behind us.
Good morning, guys. It's your boy Danny British, man. And man, my ass got a fucking flat tire, bro. Fucking flat. That my friend left his phone in the fucking car, and I was to bring him this morning, and I guess I drove over this nail. I just start hearing my goddamn rim. I'm like, what the fuck? This shit eat the whole sidewall of my motherfucking tire, man. Look at that shit. So I had to pull up on the gas station. Luckily, I wasn't in the mountain. I was at my next spot. Cause goddamn, look at this shit. Come on. I gotta go do this, patch it, and air it up. Let's get this. Alright, so you want to use this tool and basically create the roughage in the area. Once you're done doing that, you want to load this tool with your little rubber patch, and then you want to put cement glue on this, then push it in, pull it out. I can't do that with one hand, so I'm gonna have to get it all done off camera, but that's basically what you're doing. And this is what really caused the damage, this nail here. That is crazy. Look how long that motherfucker is. That's crazy. Alright guys, so here we go. Goddamn, tire is now patched. You can cut off the excess. You can cut off the excess if you have scissors, if you're ever in this situation. For me, I'm just gonna drive over it until it basically even out. But yeah, all full again. Yeah, buddy. Whew. This, for any time you ever catch a freaking leak, and it's like smaller than this big ass nail size. You know, you have your this. I paid $4.93 for it at the gas station. It's a tire repair kit. Any gas station should carry that. And yeah, for under $4 and I get under $5 in, what you wanna say? I would say 10 minutes repair. Yeah, good to go. Hey guys, what's up, man? It's your boy Danny British, man. Fucking this morning, man, I woke up to a bunch of text messages from my guys saying yo, I left my shit up in your shit. So I was like, damn bro, I'ma slide. So I fucking just hopped in the truck, man, and I'm like whipping, cause you know it's bright and early, ain't nobody on the road. I'm whipping, bro. So I see my Range Rover warning light pop on me for my tire, saying that the tire is below 30 psi. That shit Then I look at it, it said 22 psi. I'm like, the fuck? Why is the fuck the air pressure dropping so rapidly, bro? And I see 10 psi. I'm like, the fuck? You know? So I'm like, damn. I guess I got a hole in the tire right now. Man, I see 0 psi. I couldn't believe it. I was like, 0 psi. Ain't no way. I start hearing. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, bruh, what the fuck is going on right now? So, boom. I fucking, shit. I wasn't gonna pull over. I fucking drove on the flat tire for like another 3 minutes to the gas station. So, man, I'm at the gas station, because I was driving on it, goddamn eat down the sidewall, because you're not supposed to drive on your tires like that. But mind you, I'm like, whatever, fuck it. I ain't gonna fucking stop and take off no tire in the middle of nowhere. So, boom, now, I fucking, put air in the fucking tire, bro. That shit go up. I hung like, I'm like, this shit crazy. Like, I'm like, damn, I'm gonna have to fix this. So I'm like, they're listening for where the leak is coming from. Anyway, I fucking locate the leak. It's a goddamn nail. I used to fucking nail Jesus on the goddamn cross. Motherfucking nail long and straight than a motherfucking arrow, bro. I'm like, goddamn. Fucking pull out this long ass nail. You get me? And then repair the tire, man. And I'm like, man, if I had to fucking call, whatchamacall them guys? If I had to call my guys, Geico, roadside assistant, them bitches probably would take like fucking 40 minutes to fucking get to me, the least. First you gotta connect to them. You gotta talk to some customer rep in a state that you don't fucking live in. She don't fucking know the map. And you gotta give her the address so she can Google it and then find her one of the trucks closest in your area to dispatch that person out to you. And then you gotta wait for that person to either for their facility to pick up the phone and their drivers to be available, because the drivers could be attending to other customers. You know, someone else could be having the same fucking issue you're having. You know what I mean? So you gonna spend like an hour and a half fucking to do a tire change. Man, I did my goddamn tire change myself under 10 minutes. Not even a tire change, my whole tire repair myself under 10 minutes. And it's crazy because I remember when I was a kid and my mom, her car had a fucking flat one time. And she called my dad to come change the tire. And my dad asked where the fuck I was. My mom was like, he's here, you know? Whatever. So my dad came. My dad was like, you don't know how to change a tire? I was like, no, I don't have a car. Why would I know how to change a tire? I was always a smart ass. I was like, I don't have a car. Why would I know how to change a tire? My dad was like, that's very, he said that's very backhanded. Meaning, that's very retarded of me. I was like, what? It was like, yeah, that's retarded. The fact that you don't know how to change a tire makes you retarded. Why can't you change a tire? Like, you're a man. You should know how to change a tire. And man, I remember my friend was there with me, man, and I felt away, man. And I said to my friend, I was like, God damn, I gotta get somebody in this boat with me. I was like, yo, Daniel, you know how to change a tire? He was like, no. I was like, well, Daniel don't know how to change a tire. Fucking hell. Yeah, I was like, man, fuck out of here, Dad. Try to bring me down, bro. But anyway, man, I won't forget. After that, he showed me how to change a tire. Like, he didn't even change my mom's tire. He made me change it. Like, he did the whole tire change, gave me the whole instructions to do the whole tire change, and I just carry out the change. And ever since that, fucking one of the best skills my dad ever teach me was how to change a goddamn tire. Man, I've changed so many tires in my goddamn life. I gotta thank my dad for that shit. For real, bro. So yeah, if you a man out there, man, you should know how to change a tire. Even if you don't got to, but just know how the fuck to jack up a car, where underneath the car to put the jack, how to lift it.
No, bitch, I got something to say. No, had a drink, I was in the bush and off my hit the block today.